2, 3, 4. Hi everybody, and welcome. Cali Rose here. Let's take a little trip back in time to the late 1950s. I snagged a couple songs from that era, Bobby Darin's Splish, Splash, and Great Balls of Fire, which was recorded by Jerry Lee Lewis, and I mushed them together into a medley. We're in the key of C. Nice little rock groove happening here. Going to add 140 beats per minute. I included an 8-measure instrumental break. And in our classes, we'll talk about some musical ideas that you can work with. And in this play and sing-along video, I'm going to comp during that instrumental break so that you can climb into the sandbox and find some fancies. Our starting note that we sing on is a C, and we want to try and nail that because there is no intro. We just launch right into the song like this. A 1, 2, 3, 4, splish, splash, I was taking a bath along about a Saturday night. A rub-dub, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was all right. Well, I stepped out of the tub, put my feet on the floor. I wrapped a towel around me and I opened up the door, and then splish, splash, I jumped back in the bath. Well, how was I to know there was a party going on? I was a splishing and a splashing, I was a rolling and a strolling, I was a moving and a grooving, I was a reeling with a feeling, a rolling and a strolling, moving and a grooving. Splish, splash, I was taking a bath. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives this woman insane. You broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I laughed at love cause I thought it was funny. You came along and moved me, honey. I changed my mind, this love is fine. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Kiss me, baby. Ooh, it feels good. Hold me, baby. I wanna love you like a lover should. You're fine, so kind. Gotta tell the world you're mine, mine, mine. I chew my nails and I twiddle my thumbs. I'm real nervous, but this sure is fun. Come on, baby, drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Thank you for watching, everybody. Check out my website, calirose.com, and happy strumming.